Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your games from other people on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Privacy. In Privacy Settings, select View and customize your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section. Select Hide your games from other players. You can now browse through your games list and pick the games you want to hide, or choose all of them if you want. They also won't see any of your activities for the game. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.